how to enable or disable the haptic vibration on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. Here in sounds and vibration, below, okay, scroll down and sounds and vibration section, you can see here the haptic vibration. And the haptic vibration is disable or turn off. So if you want to enable or turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this haptic vibration. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the haptic vibration on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And if you want to disable again or turn off, okay, switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.